Color name: green color, silver color, red color, blue color, sky blue color, yellow color, black color. Red color: A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for boy. B for boy. C for cat. C for cat. Black color. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for flower. F for flower. Blue color. Z for grapes. Z for grapes. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Yellow color. J for joker. J for joker. K for king. K for king. L for lion. L for lion. Green color. M for mango. M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. O for owl. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Silver color. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Red color. V for violin. V for violin. W for water. W for water. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Black color. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. हेलो किड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे 1 2 3 काउंटिंग एंड शेप। तो सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं कलर नेम। सिल्वर कलर, ग्रीन कलर, येलो कलर, red color, yellow color, 1 star, 1 star, star, green color, 2 1 2, 2 2 1 2, 1 crescent, 2 crescent, 2 1 2, silver color, 3 1 2 3, 3 3, 1 heart, 2 heart, 3 heart, 3 1 2 3, red color, 4 1 2 3 4, triangle, 4 4, 1 triangle, 1 2 2 triangle, 3 3 triangle, 4 4 triangle, 4 1 2 3 4, green color, 5 1 2 3 4 5, 5 5, circle, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 3 4 circle, 4 circle, 5 circle, 5 5 1 2 3 4 5, 1 star, 2 crescent, 1 2 3 heart, 1 2 3, 4 triangle, 1 2 3 4, 5 circle, 1 2 3 4 5.